Oh! Stabbed myself so hard. That hurt so bad.
Oh, he's got it out. He's getting into it. Yeah, now it's not.
What do you need? What?
Here, look at it. Do you think part of the reason the belt broke maybe is because the fucking basket is fucking moving? Look at it. If the clutch plates aren't moving, it's the whole thing moving.
Oh.
This is, hey, this is your boy.
You know,
This is your boy.
I can't pay attention to everything he does.
This is your fucking boy right here,
Really?
okay?
No, it's a
all
problem.
you likers and subscribers giving this guy all this fucking credit. Bunch of fucking idiots. I'm just kidding.
I'm definitely putting
That's
that
gotta
out.
go.
You guys,
Sure, dude.
I think I just swallowed a bug.
Oh boy.
You got that.
Karma!
You guys are wasting your
Dude, he's got
fucking
the
money.
fly,
Yeah.
assault shotgun. This is gonna be my hot seat right here. Oh yeah. Jesus Christ.
Yeah,
really?
you're gonna be in the cockpit, but don't burn those legs. Right here, put them right up on the pigs. Get a feel of how you're gonna be locked in.
It's the worst, dude.
Yeah, get a feel of how you'll be locked into them.
Nuts
And
are
you'll
gonna be
have
riding his
that
back.
and you'll have that big girthy body in front of you, sweating,
Sweating, dude. I
steaming
know,
down
dude.
the road.
You'll be
Gross.
smelling that olive oil.
You look Italian.
I am Italian.
Oh, well, there you
And
go.
European. Drink it in, motherfucker.
Drinking it in.
Drink it right in.
Every day I'm drinking it in.
Yeah.
Okay, what is that off of?
Just you know, this is turning.
What'd you do?
Next time.
I was
just
doing
next
that.
to,
I'm
you know,
standing
next-
here watching you mess with it.
Should we stuff things into John's exhaust as deep as we can? Yeah, you counted it. I thought it was 50. It was not 50. Yeah. Damn. Yeah.
The whole fucking thing is.
Yeah. I want to see everyone in this, and I want to make a cyclone a little bit, okay? We're gonna do a whirlpool. Do you think that this is sanitary?
I don't think it's a good idea, but.
You don't think it's a good idea?
But whatever. I think you're
I'm
fine.
gonna do it.
Just don't drink it.
I mean, I wasn't entirely planning.
Yeah, accidents happen. You know. I have no desire to go in this.
Yeah, now that I'm in it, I don't really have a desire.
That's
But it doesn't feels good on me. I am nervous that if I dunk, I'll wake up with a sore throat.
I'd be nervous of like diarrhea or something.
Yeah, that's what I'd be worried about.
Nah, I can handle diarrhea, sore throat.
But you never know what you're gonna get. That's the problem.
You don't. Salt Lake City. Made it. Ogden. Ogden, the house that Dream Company built. I don't think he did, but he rents it. Some of it.
Same thing.
Kinda. We found knuckleheads.
Who?
2 of them. Grilling. I think we're doing steak. We're doing steak and shrimp tacos.
Perfect.
And a pile of pickles and some chippies and all that good shit. All that happy horse shit. Still no belt for the red bike. Beltless. I'll probably be vanning it. Don't go above your head, dude.
It's a little scary.
AJ put chlorine in it, dude. He's very trustworthy. Very trustworthy. He's basically a chemist.
God damn, these pickles are good.
They're fucking so good.
Oil,
For tossing?
mixing all that.
Yeah, I'll tell you, I do feel extremely refreshed. It's A1 mayo?
Yeah.
Excited about it, dude.
What? A1 and mayo, you mean?
Right.
You'd know that if you paid attention. You make
Thank you.
it?
Thank you for like actually listening to me.
I watched you. I thought it was like a thing that A1 sold.
Never heard of
No.
No, Craig makes it. It's something he's going to turn everyone on to. If you guys pay attention. Ever.
God, what the fuck is wrong with these people?
Learned how to adjust your clutch
I love
properly.
it in, I love it in,
He's gonna love this episode.
Oh,
I got smart on it in my.
that's not right. You just couldn't get it consistently running at all.
Oh boy, yeah, that's
Yeah.
normal. How's that feel?
Feels fucking good. 3085.
A 132, 8mm. Bang, bang, boom. You're a fuck.
Let's clean this fucking thing up. This is horrendous. Okay? This is horrendous, guys. This is what you don't do.
That thing spinning or moving?
This is like it's I don't know. I'm gonna clean it, just clean the shit out of it. This is right. This is perfect.
Oh, sick.
Yeah, we Googled. Actually, we just Googled the number. It's a fucking
Fuck.
8mm 132.
Sick. Let's fucking do it.
Well, I think it just wasn't adjust. I think we just gotta adjust it.
Yeah,
and
that
fuck
makes
with
sense.
it. Well, adjust this nice. Put the transmission back. Adjust your fucking chain. Whatever.
Square one.
This one's awesome. This one's awesome. The rest of them aren't so great.
This is the one that's supposed to go in first.
Yeah, and it's pretty thin. Yeah. I've never put a new set of plates in anything.
So this is that. I'll just scuff them up and try to get them a little bit rough again. I think.
Thank you. Or it won't. Hey, thank you. Hey, as long as you got a belt on it, whatever. Yeah. So go until they pretty much fucking stop. Plumber fitting, baby. They ain't gonna let you go any farther. There you go.
Do I want to go?
Keep it. Keep on keeping on, dog. There's a torque spec somewhere in a manual you don't have. Let's go, dog. I got it. Let me off it again.
You know what we need to do before we do any of this?
You gonna smoke grass?
Push well, that too.
How what? We need everyone to go to throttleauction.com. Bam, right there. Go click it. Buy all your stuff. Follow them on Instagram and YouTube. Okay? They have a channel. We have a channel. We're doing stuff together. We're doing stuff apart. We don't even live in the same state. Buy their shit. All right? Do it. Comment on their stuff that we said hello. Okay? And we said I love you. Send them the kiss emoji. All right? That's what we want you to do. Throttleauction.com.
Wow.
Push rods.
Oh, do you never check those?
Let's just do it again because it's been a while.
All right, yeah, let's do it. Hit the grass. Hit the grass. This fucking dumb thing's gotta fall. Flathead on a Phillips, baby. That's only pro shit.
That's how they used to do it back
That's
in the
all
day.
pro shit right there. They used to not be Phillips heads, you know? Craig, you want to hold, or AJ hold that one?
Yeah.
Whoa. That thing is fucking tight, dude. The front head exhaust valve on knuckleheads.
What's up, man? What are you finding?
Well, you got a weird tight spot in your front exhaust.
Can that camera go down inside of the heads and take
I can do whatever you want.
Take a look for me. Can you
Probe it.
probe those heads and tell me what's going on in them there?
I'll tell you what. This motherfucker is in there, dude.
Problem with this one, for some reason, when I bought that.
Oh, fuck. Stabbed myself so hard. That hurt so bad. Oh, I'm bleeding so much. Oh. What'd you do? Stabbed myself with a fucking flathead. Got your push rod out there. Fuck. I think it like went pretty fucking deep into my finger.
Where did it go in?
Right there.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Oh, you'll be fine.
Fucking.
You wanna? I got some tape.
Yeah, we'll tape it up in a second.
There, I will hold one claw.
Thank you. It might, Craig. We might get this. Craig, we might get this. Correlating here at the Eazy Company.
Yeah, what is up with that? Trying to run off Christmas lights.
Dude, why is this such a fucking shit box? This thing. Bigger, There's like stuff coming out of it.
That's like milky blood.
Yeah, I think it's like,
Plasma?
I don't know. I might have hit the, you know, the spinal fluid.
There you go.
Huh?
I don't think there's a sink in here.
Or you like?
I think this is like a Temecula kind of deal where people are just smoking meth and like having unprotected sex and not washing their genitals between
Or their hands.
intercourse
Oh,
sessions.
okay, yeah.
I think that's kind of the deal.
Like how disease starts.
Yeah.
So the one thing he's got going on this thing is the bike kind of starts kind of easy.
That's it.
That's it.
That's the only thing. Guys are missing the quality footage.
Should I get over here?
He's starting a fire here. When you can't get it to kickstart, this is what you have to do. This is like one of the secret ways the old timers would start.
That's
them
right.
back in the day.
How did you do?
I mean,
For what you have.
for what I'm dealing with, I don't know, I think we got about a 65% chance of it working out right.
It's pretty high.
What?
There's no nuts on either of the bolts that hold the tranny plate down in the front.
Really?
Yeah. I mean, you got the back holding it down, but
Did you have that thing or did you make it?
It's like an old Briggs and Stratton tank, but it was like twice as wide as this.
Oh, really?
And I chopped it and glued it back together.
Yeah.
Get Corey in there, you're good.
Shit. Well, barefoot, really.
Sure.
Really gambling tonight. Huh?
Really going for it tonight. Okay, so that your throttle is now all the way closed, but your carburetor is all the way open.
Hey, will you look at that dog rooting around under the blanket? Will you get that dog's nutsack on film for YouTube?
Why not?
That thing is a fucking, he's got a hammer on him. that
Small
little
dog, big sack.
Big, everything. 3-piece suit's big.
What's going on back there? Hey, what's going on back there, guys?
Nothing good.
Look at this fucking feat of engineering over here. So we got, all right, we got.
Who wants to talk about
The
it?
throttle's
This
closed.
fixes.
Welcome to my life.
But the shit's open. Now it's open, but the shit is closed. I'm trying to figure it out. Okay, it's boggling my brain, my mortal brain. Listen to ironing. Making a very fucking, you're saying cool stuff to me.
I can just throw that SMS knuckle in.
You're damn right you can. You be ripping, baby. You did a great job, dude. You should be proud, okay? You shouldn't be down on yourself right now. Papa comes here, he grills you tubes meats, and he fucking dials in your linker, and we're gonna fire this bitch up. All right, you're gonna ride to the bar tonight, and you're gonna find a new one, the love of your life. You and little sister are gonna find the love of your life.
Tattooed on your leg.
Where? Which one?
A Mega Man looking shit.
It's the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
Nice.
Chapcult.com. Yeah, we out here. Yo, we out here.
Where are we?
Virginia City Roundup, baby, 2022. We out here. Getting after it, riding bulls, wrangling cattle. All right? Riding bull gods, being bull gods.
We are
living
bull gods.
living the bull god life. All right? Kid Rock told us, we showed up. We're just following the playbook, baby. Just following the Rock playbook. Bob, that's what I call him.
Bob.
Huh? What's next? Build a fucking replica of the White House. The rope's weird, right? It's like a
Hard.
It's like a hard rope. I'll wrangle up these animals with a whiskey. I'll pull a piece of my hair out and wrangle these.
Ain't no middle of the mall piece of character.
Listen. I'll wrangle these bitches up with a piece of my pubie. All right, I'll pull a pube out. Jesus fucking god damn it! Let's go. Bull riding in Massachusetts.
New England.
New England. Wes out here, all the way from Rhode Island, doing his damn thing.
He drove a Corvette all the way here.
Drove his Corvette all the way
Drove
here.
my Corvette all the way here.
From fucking Rhode Island.
Yeah, mate.
All just to get his dinky stinky out here. What's up with this guy right here?
Wow, look at that. What is that?
I don't know what that is.
I like it. Whatever it is.
Some sort of clasp?
Are those the bars we made?
I don't know. I don't think so. Are they? Oh, this is the fucking bike.
Yeah.
Those definitely aren't there.
I think they are.
I don't think they can be.
Like you couldn't have done that?
Like I couldn't have. They can't have. There's no way they survived this long.
I think they are.
If they are, those are the first time
They might not be. That might be chrome. I don't know what I'm talking about. I don't know what I'm talking about. This thing's sick.
Iron is crazy.
It's awesome. Look at the way they did that one.
What?
All smooth.
Very gnarly.
Yeah, that's cool.
Very gnarly. That bike came out so fucking sick.
It fits into this fucking town.
I know. Bars are ridiculous.
Knuckleheads are pretty cool.
Knuckleheads are very cool. We out here. We out here, Virginia City Roundup. Dying. Straight dying. Dude, that thing's so sick. Hell yeah. Dude, with the 35mm too. This thing's cool. Hell yeah, man. What's up, dude? Cool. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Appreciate it.
Like and subscribe.
Hell yeah, man. Hit it with it. Hit it with it.
Like and subscribe, motherfucker.
Oh yeah. There you go, yeah.
I got a picture with you, fucker?
Yeah. Buddy in, man.
you doing?
Yeah. How's it
Good to see you.
going?
Good to
Howdy,
see you.
what's my boy? But hey, dude, I'm not gonna lie. I be kicking my shovel to the same kicks you guys are kicking in the same harmony, dude.
That's the move, dude.
I'm like, dude, let's fucking do this.
I just tap him in when I can't do it anymore.
I seen it, dude.
Tap him right in. Get in there.
Like and subscribe. Throttle Addiction. Dude, actually, my seat from the blue bike is Throttle Addiction.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
That's yours over there? We'll scope it in a minute, dude. We'll go over there and scope it. Hell yeah.
Apartment build in the kitchen.
Hell yeah, dude.
Welds and all. So
Love it. Love it. Love it.
Oh my lord.
Like and subscribe, baby.
That's what we need right there.
Keep Chopper safe.
Hell yeah.
Keep Chopper safe all day.